In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M05, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Settings and simply scroll to Hit Apps. Then you need to hit Choose Default Apps. Tap on Home app and click on Launcher Pro to apply it. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go into the same settings and tap on your default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!